You've got to see this new invention. This was recently patented by a company called SnoreLessNow, and it literally changes the game on snoring. What makes it so special is these adjustable straps. It's a customized mouthpiece that has these tension straps that actually move your jaw the exact right amount to stop your snoring. That's totally new, you guys. Nobody else is doing it like that. I've seen so many different kinds of mouthpieces, but they're all kind of a one-size-fits-all thing. This is literally fully customizable to your top teeth, your bottom teeth, and literally even the exact depth of your bite and jaw so that you know it fits perfectly. I did the research to make sure this was the real thing, and guess what? It absolutely is. So try this one out. You're looking for the company SnoreLessNow, this one right here. I'll drop a link to the SnoreLessNow company so that you can find out for yourself how revolutionary this is.